Gonna take a lot to drag me away from you. There's nothing that 100... Oh, hello, Chris. I hear it's your 33rd birthday. That's what... Where did my hat go? Hey, Chris. Can FeltPad make me an app that does nothing but create birthday videos for people? It'd help me out, because, whew, this is tiring. Psst, hey, Chris. Are we alone? Good. So when are you and Ashley going to jump the broom, man? Everyone wants to know, and I mean everyone. Well, Carrie, Drew, and Otis the cat wanted me to wish you a big happy birthday and to say they wish you would all live closer together. Aww. So you can take this opportunity to think long and hard about how far away you all are and to do what you can to close that distance. Anyway, look at me being a counselor when I'm here to be a birthday boy. Chris, here's your big birthday song. Oh, man. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chris. Happy birthday to you. Well, Chris, I hope you had a perfect day. From your friends and your new pal, Harold. That's me. Have a great birthday. Bye-bye. Oh, man, my head fell off again.